You're probably at the point where you're finishing up your color scheme and value scavenger hunt, and this is one of the first very big projects that you'll do in Mr. Bach's program as a Graphic Arts 1 student, so it's time to start getting used to some things that happen in this system. One of the things that Mr. Bach is adamant about is that I teach you to output your projects in ways that are consistent with industry standards. What that means is if you're working on a project for a client and they needed it to be in a certain place or needed something to happen like printing, the type of file you save is very important to that process. And if you work on a project and save it in the wrong kind of format, it could make extra work for you, or it could mean problems for your client. It could even mean you get fired. So I want to show you right now how to follow the directions on color scheme and value scavenger hunt so that you can export your work as a PDF file, specifically if you are doing your project in Google Slides or Google Docs. So here goes. I'm going to go look at one that I know needs to be exported. That is a Google Slides project right now. If you turn in your Google Slides project without exporting as a PDF first, here's what I will do. Most likely, I will give it right back to you with a little note or a private comment that says something like this. Here's how to get it right the first time. I'm inside this Google Slides project. If you're working on your Slides project or your Docs project, you should have some controls in the same places here. As long as you can see this menu up here, you should be able to click on File, scroll down just a little bit until you see Download, and inside Download, you should be able to find one that says PDF Document. All right, the idea, PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and a PDF is the same thing as printing out your project after you're done with it instead of turning in a work file. So if I go click on PDF Document, you'll probably get a little pop-up that looks kind of like that. This one I can go click on a little folder that said Downloads folder. So if you click on that, you'll probably get your Downloads folder on your computer. Another way you can get to downloads on your iMac is to go to the sidebar and click on the one that says Downloads. So if you just downloaded something, it's usually the one on the top, colordogthingy.pdf. Here's how you can change the name of your file so it fits with the naming conventions that we want in this program also. Going to click on the name once, and then wait, just take a breath, click on it one more time, and now I'm changing the name of this file. So the proper way to name your file to fit the naming conventions that Mr. Bach wants is like this. Jade, what's your last name? Oh, Graff. I might even do this. Okay, student's name, name of project. That's what we prefer here. If you want me to easily find your project, that's the best way for me to grade your project as fast as possible. All right, at that point, Jade is ready to turn in that project back in her Google Classroom and get all the points for that project. Great, thanks for watching.